Hello, good afternoon. This is me Anand back again with a new video. Today I am at York in Maine in the zoo with my daughter, and today I'm going to explore the zoo and the York city. Uh, please look into the description below for the ticket price and other details about the location. I'm going to explain you about the camel riding. Camel riding cost us $7. It was fun, exciting. My daughter really enjoyed the camel riding, and I also this was our first time riding a camel. It was good experience. My daughter was really happy after the camel ride. I can see her excitement, happiness in her face. Then we moved towards the zoo section. The llama, you can see the llama over there. It's hard to see the animals from my GoPro, so I'm trying to capture as much as I can. I have never noticed the goat in any of the zoo that I visited before, but it really feels good when you can pat the goat and feed them. My daughter really enjoyed patting and feeding the goat. Yes, she was kind of scared before, but she enjoyed it later. Kangari has its own beauty and feature that people like. I really enjoyed the way it hops while walking, and the baby couch.
The deer too.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I had never seen the cattle before with so long horn. It looks really insane. It's the first time seeing this cattle.
Okay.
Looks great.
Did you see zebra?
After spending around 3 hours in the zoo, finally we are at the amusement park. Hopefully it should be fun. It was a really great time in the zoo as well as in the amusement park. My daughter really enjoyed seeing the animals, and then playing in the amusement park. Now we are heading towards the York beach as well as the York City, and I'll be doing the walking tour of the York City. Please enjoy the video. Thank you again so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Please feel free to comment if you have any suggestion or anything else. Please subscribe.
Like that?